Welcome to Alpha Emirates. We're glad you're here. We take safety seriously at our recycling facility. Your well-being is our top priority. Understanding our safety protocols is crucial. These rules are here to protect you and everyone around you. By following them, we can all go home safe every day. At Alpha Emirates, we're committed to safety, health, and the environment. We believe these values go hand in hand. We strive to create a workplace where everyone feels protected and respected. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. If you see something unsafe, say something. Your voice matters. Let's work together to make Alpha Emirates a safe and productive environment. Pedestrian safety is paramount at Alpha Emirates. Our facility is a busy place with heavy vehicle traffic. It's essential to stay alert and follow these guidelines. Always use designated walkways. These are marked for your safety. Never walk between moving vehicles or equipment. This is extremely dangerous. Be aware of your surroundings. Watch out for forklifts, trucks and other machinery. Make eye contact with operators to ensure they see you. Never assume an operator can see you. Always err on the side of caution. If you need to cross a vehicle path, wait for a clear signal from the operator. Remember, pedestrians don't always have the right of way in industrial settings. Safety is about shared responsibility. Let's all do our part. Certain areas within Alpha Emirates are restricted for your safety. These areas are clearly marked with signs and barriers. Only authorized personnel are allowed in these zones. Unauthorized entry into restricted areas is strictly prohibited. These areas often contain hazardous materials, moving machinery, or ongoing operations. Entering these zones without permission puts you and others at risk. If you need to access a restricted area, contact a supervisor. They will provide guidance and ensure you have the necessary training and personal protective equipment, PPE. Remember, these rules are in place for a reason. Respecting restricted areas is essential for maintaining a safe work environment for everyone. Section 4. In case of fire, know what to do. Fire safety is everyone's responsibility. Knowing what to do in case of a fire can save lives. Familiarize yourself with our fire safety protocols. Know the location of fire extinguishers and fire alarm pull stations. These are clearly marked throughout the facility. In case of fire, activate the nearest alarm and evacuate immediately. If you use a fire extinguisher, remember the acronym PASS. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle and sweep from side to side. Evacuate the building immediately when the fire alarm sounds. Do not attempt to fight a fire unless you are trained and authorized to do so. Assemble at the designated meeting point outside the building. Account for all personnel and await further instructions from emergency responders. Section 5. Equipment safety, sharing the road with heavy machinery. Heavy equipment is essential to our operations at Alpha Emirates. It's crucial to be aware of these machines and follow safety guidelines. Always maintain a safe distance from operating equipment. Never assume an operator can see you. Make eye contact and wait for a clear signal before approaching. Be cautious around loading docks and areas where materials are being moved. These areas are prone to unexpected movements and potential hazards. Never attempt to operate equipment unless you are trained and authorized to do so. Operating heavy machinery requires specialized skills and knowledge. Report any unsafe equipment or operating practices to a supervisor immediately. Addressing safety concerns promptly is essential for preventing accidents. Section 6. Emergency procedures. Staying safe in unexpected situations. Emergencies can happen unexpectedly. It's crucial to be prepared and know what to do. Familiarize yourself with our emergency evacuation routes. These routes are posted throughout the facility. In an emergency, follow the designated evacuation route to the nearest assembly point. Know the location of first aid kits and eye wash stations. These are clearly marked and strategically placed throughout the facility. Report any spills, leaks or other hazards immediately to a supervisor. Promptly addressing hazards helps prevent accidents and injuries. If you witness an accident or injury, provide assistance if it's safe to do so. Contact emergency services immediately and alert a supervisor.